Huawei MateBook X Pro, Elegant and Powerful. Title: Huawei MateBook X Pro, Elegant and Powerful. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and powerful laptop has become more important than ever. The Huawei MateBook X Pro stands as a testament to Huawei's commitment to delivering exceptional quality and performance. With its sleek design, high-end features, and impressive specifications, the MateBook X Pro has proven to be a frontrunner in the market. This article will delve into the elegance and power of the Huawei MateBook X Pro, exploring its standout features, performance capabilities, and the overall user experience. Design and display. The design of the Huawei MateBook X Pro is undeniably elegant. Its ultra-thin bezels contribute to a stunning full-view display, offering users an immersive viewing experience. The 13.9-inch touchscreen display boasts a resolution of 3000 by 2000 pixels, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. The aspect ratio of 3:2 ensures more vertical space, making it perfect for productivity tasks such as document editing or web browsing. The slim profile and minimalistic aesthetic make the MateBook X Pro both attractive and portable, weighing in at just under 3 pounds. Performance. Underneath its elegant exterior, the Huawei MateBook X Pro houses impressive power and performance. Equipped with Intel's latest 10th generation processors, users can expect lightning-fast speeds and multitasking capabilities. The base model comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, while the higher-end variant features an Intel Core i7 processor, allowing for smooth operation even while handling resource-intensive tasks. The NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics card further enhances the laptop's performance for users who require graphic-intensive applications or enjoy gaming on the go. Storage and connectivity. The MateBook X Pro offers ample storage options, catering to different user needs. It comes with a 512GB or 1TB solid-state drive, SSD, ensuring swift boot-up times and fast data access. While there is no option for expanding storage through an SD card slot, the available options should be sufficient for most users. In terms of connectivity, the MateBook X Pro provides multiple ports such as USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI, ensuring seamless integration with a wide range of peripheral devices. Battery life. One of the many standout features of the Huawei MateBook X Pro is its remarkable battery life. The laptop is equipped with a 56Wh battery, which can provide up to 13 hours of video playback or 11 hours of web browsing. This impressive longevity ensures that users can work or play for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Furthermore, the MateBook X Pro supports fast charging, enabling users to replenish the battery to 60% capacity in just 30 minutes, ideal for users on the move. Keyboard and trackpad. The MateBook X Pro features a backlit keyboard with responsive keys, allowing for comfortable typing in any lighting conditions. The key travel is satisfying, and the overall typing experience is enjoyable. Additionally, the precision trackpad is large and accurate, providing smooth navigation and precise control. Huawei's integration of the fingerprint scanner into the power button also enhances security while making it more convenient for users to log in effortlessly. Audio and webcam. The audio capabilities of the Huawei MateBook X Pro are impressive, thanks to the collaboration with Dolby Atmos. The laptop is equipped with 4 speakers, providing a rich and immersive audio experience. The sound quality is well balanced, whether you are listening to music, watching movies, or participating in video conferences. Furthermore, the integrated pop-up webcam ensures privacy when not in use, maintaining the laptop's sleek design. Software and features. The MateBook X Pro runs on Windows 10, ensuring compatibility with an